Hi, this is Joe from the Pocono Mountain Public Library. Today I'm bringing you a lesson on Bad Moon Rising by CCR. For those who live in the Monroe County, Pennsylvania area, I'll be doing a live workshop on this song September 8th, 2021, Wednesday at 2:30 p.m. If you want to register for this program, call us at 570-894-8860 extension 2. That's 570-894-8860 extension 2. Or you can email me at joe@poconolibrary.org. The contact information will be down below in the information box. But if you live in the Monroe County, Pennsylvania area, please stop by. I'd love to show you this song. It's only 3 chords. The trickiest part of this song is the strumming pattern. So without further ado, on with the lesson. All right, so good news. This song is only 3 chords. So the first chord, D, A, G. If you're a beginner, let's spell out those chords for you. Basically what you want to do is you want to hold down the 2nd fret of the G and the high E string, and you want to hold down the 3rd fret of the B string. If you can see that string, and that string, okay? And you want to hit the open D. When you strum the chord, you're going to hit all those 4 bottom strings there, okay, on your guitar. That's the D chord. Next chord is the A chord. Basically, you're holding down the 2nd fret of the D, G, and the B chord, and you hold it down like that. And you're going to strum also the A string there, and you're going to do the 5 strings there, okay? And you want to try to get that high E. If you can't, sometimes beginners tend to mute that high E. That's all right. That's not going to kill the chord. It's still an A chord, all right? The last chord in the song is a G chord. And basically for the G chord, you'll hold down the low E on the 3rd fret, the high E on the 3rd fret, and then you bring your pointer finger to the 2nd fret of the A string. Sorry, I accidentally muted it. All right. If that's too hard for you, there's an easy way to play G. You just hold down the 3rd fret and the 3rd fret of the E strings. That's a G string as well. The flesh of my middle finger there is muting the A string, so that works. You don't want that. You don't want an A in there. You want that string to be muted at the very least. If you're not holding it down, get a B, that's a B right there. Okay. So those are the chords. Just practice. If you're, oops, my guitar malfunctioned. I hate when that happens. But if you're a beginner, before you start strumming, practice those chords, because these chords come fast. So you have to change those chords pretty quickly. So if you are just a beginner, just practice the D, A, and G strings. You can play it like that too. I sometimes play it like that because it's easier for me. I don't even think about it. D, A, G. All right. Now on to the strumming. All right. So the strumming is probably the hardest part of this song. The way I do it is, let me just strum it real slow for you. So it's down, 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 up, chord change, down, 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 right? Down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down, 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 down. down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Now those the D, down, down, A, one downstroke, and G, one downstroke. Then back to your little D riff. All right, that's the verse. The chorus is a little easier. So you got G for 2 bars, and you have D for 2 bars, A for 1 bar, G for 1 bar, and then your little D riff that you have in the verse. So let me go ahead and just play the chorus for you. And it's down, down, up, up, down, up. It's a good strumming pattern to know. It's in a lot of songs. If you cannot do that strumming pattern yet, just do down strums. But I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 down, up. And then the riff. And that's the strumming pattern for the whole song there. Now, if you can't do the down, down, up, down, up, just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's if you're just getting started. That's the chorus. But this song is pretty easy, except the strumming is pretty tricky. I had trouble like writing it out for you folks. I just kind of, when I play it, I just kind of feel it. It's a difficult, rhythm is a difficult thing to communicate to other folks. But I hope this was useful for you. This is Joe signing out. If you live in the Monroe County, Pennsylvania area, I will be doing a guitar lesson September 8th, 2021 at 2:30 at the library. Calls at 570-894-8860 extension 2 to register, or you can email me at joe@poconolibrary.org. That information will be down below in the information. It'll be down below, basically. So I hope to see you there. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.